Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. I know I gave a little longer gap than I normally do in uploading videos to my channel, and here I am restarting with the next after a gap. Now, from now on, the next few videos, what I'm going to do is to share my experience of how I practiced brush swooshes. What kind of brush did I use? How did I practice? What kind of challenges did I face? How did I overcome? So, whatever I learned is what I'm going to share with you. And whatever I'm going to share with you need not necessarily be the professional way of teaching brushstroke, but I'm only going to share my experience. Let us get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in red. Now I'll keep some dots in aqua green. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in aqua green. I'll dot with dark green now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in dark green. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. Now I'll walk the dots. I'll walk the dots again. I'll keep some dark green dots. I'll walk the dots in dark green. Now, brushstroke is all about the right brush that you need to use, the right consistency of the paint that you need to have. Consistency must be creamy, neither too thick nor too thin, and a right amount of paint loaded in the brush. And it's about the position of your arm. Are you resting it in a proper position? That's important. And the right amount of pressure that you give on the brush after loading it with the paint. So these are the 5 things that you need to take care of. Now I'm going to keep brush strokes in red color. This is how I load my brush with paint. Now I'm going to start from here, go slow and slowly lift the paintbrush up. Start from here, go slow and slowly lift the brush. I'll repeat. Give a good amount of pressure at the beginning. Go slow, and as you go, start lifting your brush, and then you can take it off. Start with giving good amount of pressure. Go slow. Start lifting your brush. Now the pressure must be little low. Lift your brush up. Start giving pressure. Go slow. Start lifting your brush. As you lift your brush, the pressure must be low. Finally, lift it off. Now I'm changing the brushstroke color to aqua green. Now I'm going to make smaller brush strokes. So I have taken a smaller brush. I'm going to keep some red dots. I think brush strokes in this video came out pretty okay types. Now from the next video onwards, I'm not going to make a full-fledged mandala using brush strokes. Instead, I'm going to teach you the individual patterns of how I personally practiced. I'm sure this simple dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.